To deploy a Spring Boot application in AWS using Jenkins, follow these steps. Set up AWS EC2 instance. Create an EC2 instance on AWS. Install Java and Jenkins on the EC2 instance. Ensure security group settings allow inbound SSH and HTTP traffic. Install Jenkins. Install Jenkins on your local machine or EC2 instance following the official documentation. Once installed, access Jenkins through the browser by visiting the following. Set up Jenkins job. Create a new Jenkins pipeline job. Under Source Code Management, select Git and add your Spring Boot project repository URL. Configure build triggers. Configure build. Use the build section to add the Maven or Gradle build step for the Spring Boot application. Build the application with the following command. This will generate the jar file. Deploy to AWS. In the post build action section, add the deploy to AWS step using the AWS CLI or custom scripts. Transfer the jar file to your EC2 instance using SSH and execute.